Hi everyone, my name's Dustin Schultz and welcome to my course, Spring Cloud Fundamentals. I've been developing software day in and day out for almost 12 years, and right now is without a doubt one of the best times there is to be a software engineer. The cloud or cloud computing is truly changing the way we as developers think about, design, and develop software. And that's where Spring Cloud comes in. Spring Cloud helps you take full advantage of these new paradigms by bringing together the best of Spring Boot with proven cloud strategies to help you design and develop cloud-native applications. Some of the major topics we'll cover include service discovery using Spring Cloud and Netflix Eureka, distributed configuration using Spring Cloud Config Server, client-side load balancing using Spring Cloud and Netflix Ribbon, intelligent routing via a gateway service using Spring Cloud and Netflix Zuul, and fault tolerance using Spring Cloud and Netflix Hystrix. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build applications that take full advantage of the cloud. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Java, Spring Boot, and have at least an introductory level understanding of microservices. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Spring Cloud with the Spring Cloud Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.